like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and then like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. I'm glad to have you. And today I have, this is my sponsored video from Temu. And they gave me $40 to spend. Now I did get some interesting things for that. But I just wanted to get on here and show you. And it probably will be a shorter than normal video because I usually like to go a half hour, but I don't know. But I'm going to put these through the paces just so you know. This was $8.47. And, excuse me. And it is a can opener. And I'll have to figure it out. And we'll test it out, see how it works. But it better work because I already threw away my last one. Okay, and this, I don't know how to do this, but I'm going to try it. Let's see. Now I gotta wait till it stops. Let's see if that works. Okay, it's got to go. Is it even working? Nope. Hello? Huh. It's not coming off. Junk, junk, junk. It's started to work. Well, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Now this, I paid $2.17 for one of these, and then the other one was free. Maybe. And what it is, it's a Mylar balloon. And it's pumpkins. And I think, not next week, but the week after, I'll be doing my Halloween stuff. So I will show you that then. But yeah, $2.19 for one and the other one was free, so you can't beat it. So I thought, well, I'll use that for my thing. And then I got this for my doormat for the season. Oh, I forgot the price. Sorry! Well, this was $4.78. And this is just a little doormat. It says, "The witch is in." So that's cute. Then I got this for $2.79. Or $2.99, I mean. I dropped a couple nails today. And I forgot about it. Because if you can't tell, I just woke up, took a nap. I really wasn't feeling that good. But anyway, this is a travel bag. It's a travel cosmetic bag. And it's one you can see through. So that's good for like, even like going to concerts and stuff. Because you know, these days you can't take anything they can't see in. And this is like a faux leather going this part. It's, hold on. I'm trying to open it up. Couldn't find the zipper. The zipper works well. And it's, you know, plastic in here so you can just clean it. If you spill anything, you can just clean it out. And it's very roomy. So that'll probably be going with me when I go see the kids next time. Which Kaylee's wanting me to come down for the baby arriving, but everybody's going to be there, and I think it's just going to be too much. Okay, then I got this, and now this is what I want to put through the paces, and I have somewhat, because I did open it, and this is one of those spin brushes. And it's, they call it electric cleaning brush. Let's see what I paid for it. Did I put the price on it? I don't know. I'll put it on the screen. Now, I did take it out because before I recommended anything, I wanted to make sure that I put it through some of the paces, and I will put it through more together, but it's one of those spin cleaning brushes. Now, my mom has gotten a few of these before, and she did finally get one she liked. Now, this goes higher, too, but this is a telescoping handle for it, and you just screw it together. No, I did that wrong. It goes this way. It goes this way. I was like, why isn't that going? It's a telescoping handle. Now this goes up one higher, but I somehow got it jammed in there, and I don't know how to do it. So I have to read the book on that. And then it has this long handle, so you know you can do it, stand up and do your floors or do your ceiling, whatever. But the thing I was really kind of worried about is some of these, first time you put any pressure on them, they stop. This does not do that, because I had a little gunky place next to my bed, and that's what I was really worried about. I thought, if it can do that, it can do anything. And I'll show you. It does not stop when you apply pressure. It does not. So I did do that spot because, quite honestly, I was too embarrassed to show people. But it comes with this brush head, and it comes with this polish head, this microfiber head. I don't know what this one is. But then it has this one for the corners, and it has this little one, and it has this one. This is rough. So I don't what, but it says on the box what they all do, and it also comes with this, so you can wash your heads. So let's see what, I know it's somewhere on the box that says what they all do. Oh, here it is. So we'll go over it real fast. Well, I'm only going to take them out so we can go over them, huh? There we go. Okay. So this one is the all-purpose brush. This is a spot, and this is your spot and spin scrubber. And this other one is contact corner brush. This one is a cloth brush. This one is a fiber brush. And this is a sponge brush. And this is a wood brush. And I believe this is like Velcro. Yeah, this is like a Velcro that sticks to them. That's what this one is. So, that's what the heads are for. And I will video a few more places that I saw that I wanted to clean, just just to see how well it works. But that spot by my bed where I had dropped hot chocolate. Well, then from my old foam mattress, it fell, the pieces that crumbled into it, so it's just like a gunky mess, and I could not get it up no matter what I tried. This got it up. So I got a few other places that I was wanting to try it, so we'll see what happens. And I'll try those, and we'll put them through the paces. But I clean this piece where the old threshold used to be, but I'm going to do it with this, but it's also got the arm on it. And I don't know if I'll be able to control it with one hand, so we're going to see. As you can see, it's getting it up, and all I have on here is water. I didn't put any cleanser on it, so as you can see, it's getting it right up. It's a little hard to control from this distance with one hand, but with two hands it's easy to control. This is just after a couple minutes, because it's really not important that it gets clean there, because I'm putting a new threshold over it. And I let my sink go for a couple weeks just so I could do this. And I also dyed my hair today dark, so it's normally when I clean this up, I use a half a can of pop to clean it up. So I figure we'll see how this does. Okay, you also got this little one, and it makes getting in the corners a lot easier. So anyway, there's that. As you can see, in about 3 minutes. That was my order for $40, and I will put the new prices on the screen as I always do, and all the links down below. I am an affiliate now. Well, I have been. I get a percentage back if you use my links or if you search my code. And then also, I wanted to make sure I told you, play those games. I mean, yes, now they do take forever to win. I'm not going to lie, they do take forever to win. But when you win, you get one coupon for $30 off 100, and then you get another one for 40 off 100. And that's how I was able to buy the furniture. And that's why I have been gone, because taking the time to put that together, I mean, because I got a coffee table, a bed, 3-inch topper for my bed, and then I also got a vanity with lights on it. And my next video, now that I have them all put together, I can go ahead and show you how I did that. And that's how I did that, by winning and then using it to turn it around. So I just wanted to show you that. Now we'll go ahead and put this in the can opener through the paces.